Hello and welcome to the channel, Tool Reviews UK. Today I'm looking at some Neilsen bits and pieces and Toolzone. So I've got these Neilsen 127mm mini snip cutters, soft grip handles for cutting wire, head pins, eye pins, small chains, etc. Just a dinky little pair, not really much information about them. Just a bog standard pair of snips. Seem to line up okay. The grips are fine. There's no branding on the actual product, and it's just for light use. They're perfectly fine. Probably handle something a bit tougher than that wire, but yeah, they're alright. £4 they were. Just handy to have, I suppose. Next I've got the Neilsen 5-piece 3/8 drive extension bar set with wobble ends, and this comes in a 38mm 75, 150, 250 and then the big 450 extension. So let's have a look at these. I do like Neilsen stuff, seems to be quite well made. This is a nice little set, comes in sort of carbon fibre foam packet, but probably wouldn't keep it in this because they do take up a lot of room. This could be condensed into something probably half the size, but anyway, it is what it is. So you got your little 38. Each one's got Neilsen stamped into it quite nicely, actually. It's quite deep, and it says chrome vanadium. And your 75 is the same, got Neilsen stamped into it there, chrome vanadium. A little bit of knurling on these ones. That one's obviously too small, just for a bit of extra grip there. And then the longer ones, they have Neilsen on the actual shaft instead of on the collar. Again, bit of knurling there for grip. They've all got it in roughly the same place. Long one's got a lot more knurling than the others. Very well stamped. So these are basically like regular extension bars, however they also turn into a wobbly. Now it doesn't give you much of a wobble, if you like, and much sideways movement up and down, but it is a little bit. So what you do is if you push it all the way in, there you go, it's just a normal extension if you're going straight on. And if you need a little bit of an angle, all you do is just pop it back one notch like that and it becomes a wobbly. Like I said, it's not much movement, but sometimes that's all you need, and it's just a little bit of movement so you could get onto a nut at a slight angle. But it's very useful, and they're all the same. I'd rather obviously have that feature than not have it. Nice and secure for straight use, and then drop it back one notch to there, and then it becomes a wobbly, so you can get in at angles. They're quite good, very well finished. Chrome is lovely on them. It's a nice deep stamp in each one. A lot of knurling on this one, and it would just, like I said, they have like a little, their ends just slightly different to a normal extension. It's handy to have. Like I said, I wouldn't keep them in this foam. It's way too big for a toolbox or whatever. It just takes up too much room. And lastly, I've got some Toolzone 4-piece adapter set, chrome vanadium steel. So it goes 1/4 to 3/8, 3/8 to 1/4, 3/8 to 1/2, and 1/2 to 3/8. So these are just regular adapters for when you want to change down from 1/2 to a 3/8 and so on. And I suppose you could use one of these, which is the 3/8. They are pretty tight on there, so 3/8 down to 1/2, and also a wobbly. These are quite good. Yeah, these bars turn most things into wobblies, if not everything. Not impact rated, but not always need it. But yeah, Just a nice little set. These just have chrome vanadium stamped into them. Nothing special, a couple of quid. This was £10 for the set. I paid for it. I think they're about $14.95 off the Neilsen website. You can sometimes get them cheaper from places like eBay and that. But yeah, nice little setup. Something else to add to the toolbox. I haven't got an extension as long as that, 450mm, so that's a good one. That's it. So if you like the videos, you like what you see, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel to grow, and we can start doing tool giveaways and competitions and things. There we go. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.